Alright, so I am going to install this Vortex ECU into this 2017 KTM 250 SXF. Never done this before. Here's the bike here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give her a little start here, and we'll see what she sounds like. I have no idea if it's going to sound any better with the, this is the stock ECU here. And I'm going to replace that Vortex ECU with this. And the only thing this bike has that's aftermarket, really, is this exhaust. It's an FMF exhaust. It's a full exhaust. I don't know if that's going to make a difference. Anyway. Yeah, let's give her a start. See what she sounds like. Now. Okay, so this is how we do this. There are two tabs on each end here. This rubber mount. It sits like this. You pull on the tab, and you pull this one side. Pull on this tab out like this, and it's just a piece of rubber, and this comes out. And then this right here is connected to it. You push down on this and pop this right out. And there it is, there's your ECU. This stays like this, you can just pull this right out. Get this. There. And there's your ECU, your stock ECU. There's the Vortex, which I'm going to be putting in now. It comes with instructions, so you're good to go. Okay, so this is the rubber mount here, and there's your ECU. See these dials here? I'm going to try to leave these exposed. All you should do is put this in, like so. See, now I still have access to my map. These are my fuel ones. I'm not too concerned about those, I'm more concerned about my map. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this 33 pin here is going to connect into this. Plug it in so. See, that's going to connect into this. There, like that. I just pushed it until I heard a click. I couldn't do it with just one hand, so. And then that's it. These two cables, one's a programming cable, the other one's an option cable. I'm guessing that option one is for if you want a switch on your handlebar, which I already have a switch on this bike, so I'm not too concerned about it. So you can just tuck that in, and then just slide those into the tabs here, and there it is. So maybe a 5-10 minute job, and that's it. Now let's see if she starts. I've never started her yet, so. know if you can hear that on the video here, but man, that sound is that's pretty. That's something else. All right, and that's how you install the ECU. That's it.